Hello, I am Nicole Berkio.
And I'm Evan Bennett, and we did our project on the power of electrostatic forces. For this project, we focused on electrostatic forces utilizing two different kinds of balloons, a metallic and a latex balloon. For the first part of our project, we started by mixing salt and pepper up in a pile. We then charged the latex balloon by rubbing it against our hair and clothes, and hovered it over the pile to see which compound was attracted to it. As you can see from the video, both salt and pepper were attracted to the balloon at approximately the same amount. This is the final product after the first part of the experiment was conducted.
For part 2, we did the same thing for part 1, but instead of a latex balloon, we used a metallic balloon. Both the salt and the pepper were attracted to the metallic balloon just like the latex. These are the final products after the second part of the experiment.
For the third part of the experiment, we separated salt and pepper into two different piles and used attraction with the latex balloon. We separated the two compounds so that we could test which compound was more attracted. As you can see, the salt was more attracted to the balloon in comparison to the pepper. The final step of our experiment was to determine whether there was a difference in attraction between the two different balloons.
As you can see here, pepper was a little bit more attracted to the metallic balloon than the latex. Although this may not be purely because of the structure of the balloon, it may be because some salt may have been mixed into the pepper, giving it a charge.
So now we are going to explain what is actually happening here in this experiment and the physics behind it. Sodium chloride, also known as salt, is an ionic compound, which means its atoms have a charge, which results in attraction. The chlorine has a negative charge, and the sodium has a positive charge.
Pepper, on the other hand, is a much more complex compound. It does not have any ionic bonds, although it has oxygens and nitrogen, which creates a partial charge in different points across the compound. This may have caused it to be slightly attracted to the balloons. As a little bit of a review, we learned this in class that when we rub a balloon, it becomes polarized with a negative and positive charge on each end. If you look at all of this together, it explains why the ionic compound of salt is more attracted to the balloons than pepper.
Thank you for watching our presentation.